how to make $11,348 during a pandemic. What's up, everybody? My name is Jordan, and for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jordan. This is my YouTube channel, and I've been able to build a six-figure digital marketing agency all from my bedroom in less than 12 months without any prior experience. And I'm pretty much using this YouTube channel to pass my knowledge. I'm giving out free content, free resources every single week. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the journey. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is helpful and you guys want to tune into this one. So, during this time, it's been a pretty crazy, uncertain, tough times for a lot of business owners. And a lot of people were saying that, how is this going to affect SMMA owners, social media marketing agency owners, and agency owners in general, because people were believing that, since businesses are, obviously going through tough times and not being able to drive a lot of business during this time, believe it or not, we are pretty much like in a recession right now. And so people were saying that, the first thing that businesses cut is the marketing, right? So, so obviously that caused a big scare in agency owners. They think that they're going to get cut. But regardless, guys, if you have been able to, if you've been building up an agency and you've been working with clients, you've been producing great results, meaning that they pay you $1 for your marketing services and you're able to bring them back $2, $3, or any type of return on their investment, then there's no reason for them to cut you, right? If you are the reason why they are making money, then that doesn't make sense for them to cut you, right? So I'm here in my Stripe account today or right now. I'm going to show you that in the month of March, that was kind of like when, news really picked up, especially here in the US. And I'm here in California. All the businesses are currently shut down. Today is April 7th, 2020. And, all businesses, all non-essential businesses are pretty much closed. Restaurants are only currently doing takeout. So we're pretty much on lockdown. We've just been staying in. I haven't been going out just to, keep safe, stay healthy, and things like that. But nonetheless, in the month of March, when people were scared, businesses were affected, and things like that, we were still able to make a gross volume of $11,348. We netted $9,500. Now, this isn't the total amount that I made in the month of March, as you can see here, March 1st to March 31st. This doesn't include some of the other sales that I made. That includes affiliate programs, partners, sales of my courses, and things like that. So we were well over 10K. So even though you might believe that social media marketing or agency owners is dying during this time, is really not, especially if you are producing great results. Now, I could understand if you are maybe just getting started as a social media marketing agency owner and you have no experience, no case studies, no results to show for. Well, guess what? Their businesses still need help, right? And you can target more towards business that aren't really looking to pay a whole lot of money for agency owners and things like for other agencies that charge a little bit more for a premium price. For example, we charge a minimum of anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 just to get started with our marketing agency. And so a lot of businesses aren't in a financial position to pay that amount to work with an agency like mine right now. So that gives opportunities to new agency owners. You can go out, you can offer free trials, volunteer for 2 weeks and things like that, and kind of get your foot in the door, get case studies, get your testimonials, and get your foot in the door, and then landing that first client. Because businesses right now, they need marketing more than ever. Believe it or not, they need help with getting more traffic, getting more sales, whatever it is. Even though they can't run some advertising aren't as efficient, doesn't work as well. So that's why the internet is probably the best way to advertise and market. You don't have to go anywhere, you don't have to be anywhere. You can just hire someone on that knows Facebook ads or Google ads or lead generation, how to do lead generation, things like that. They can drive traffic, they can still make sales through Facebook ads and things like that. They can still make sales. So that's the crazy part about during a pandemic, that or even a recession is that, I'm able to work from home. You guys are able to work from home, or agency owners are allowed to be able to work from home and still make this much, even though times are uncertain, times are rough, because I'm still helping my clients make money. Yes, my clients obviously, this whole situation, it has affected their businesses, as far as, getting results wise. With the marketing side, we're not generating as much results as we normally do, and the results we bring are actually really great, which is why my client retention is so high. They consistently sign, they're consistently with us every single month. And that's why they're still with me today, because even though they know that the results are great, are awesome when, times are normal, but during these tough times, we are still producing results. And I wish I could show you my email right now. I recently got an email from a client that said they're still getting sales during this time. It's in the month of March, and it's been crazy because they're still able to, still make money during a tough time when most businesses are struggling financially. So my recommendation for you guys is, be ready for storms like these. Be ready for the rainy days. Someone once told me that you got to be ready for the rainy days. Most people, they go throughout every single day living normally, just going to work, doing the things, not saving money, not putting yourself in a position so that when a recession hits, the rainy days come, the stormy days come, that you are ready for that. You have, a business that is still able to generate you money. You still have, multiple incomes that generate you some type of money during these tough times, so that you could pretty much still have the resources to purchase things and things like that. So yeah, it's really important to be ready for these rainy days. Luckily I've been doing this for over a year now, and just in time for something like this to hit. But even if you don't have an agency, I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, well, hey Jordan, I don't have an agency that with a bunch of clients paying me, I'm just getting started, or I want to get started. Then it's still a perfect time, because right now everyone is at home anyways. If you're probably not working or working as much, and you want to prepare for the rainy days, now is the time to develop some type of skill, develop that mindset, and create something to prepare for the rainy days. That's the biggest lesson that I want you guys to take out of this video, is to prepare for the rainy days. No matter what how it's looking outside, whatever is going on in the world, it doesn't matter. It should not affect your work ethic. You should always be getting better every single day, always developing a skill or something new. And so when times like these do come, not only that you are ready for it, you are prepared for it, but you're able to live through it. You're able to withstand whatever that is being thrown at you, because life will throw curveballs at you, such as this one. This was something that we did not think was going to get this big, but unfortunately it has. And now is the time for you to really think about how can I scale my agency, how can I start my agency, or whatever income streams that you could create and things like that. So be ready for the rainy days. Just because life is going is pretty crazy, uncertain times right now, doesn't mean that you should spend your time panicking and stuff and things like that. So don't listen to the people who say that digital marketing or agency is dying and things like that, because obviously here I don't think a lot of people show you their Stripe account, their exact monthly or this is not exact, but it's kind of like my monthly report here. Not a lot of people show you that on the internet. I don't mind though. I don't care what you guys think, or or anybody thinks. This is just to show proof that you're still able to make money from an online business, even though tough times. Just because even though people think that businesses are cutting out marketing and things like that, they need marketing more than ever. If you guys do want to develop a skill, I do have a free exclusive training. It's going to teach you my 2 winning strategies on how I've been able to land new high-paying clients automatically, or it's a system that's automated, and it consistently helps me land new clients. It also teaches you the service that I deliver, that gets amazing results, and it has very little to zero management. The reason why I'm able to grow my YouTube channel and do a lot of different things is because my business doesn't require a lot of time for me. So I'm able to do my YouTube channel, teach you guys, have a coaching program, and all of that stuff is because my business doesn't require a lot of time. So that's the second thing you'll learn. And then third thing you'll learn is how to build a reliable team so that you can automate and systemize your whole processes so that you can get more time freedom, get location freedom, and ultimately get some financial freedom to spend it with the people that you love most. So everything's in the description below. I have the free exclusive training down there. You'll need to opt in. You opt in. As soon as you opt in, you'll get we'll send you the training video. Also, I'm not downloading, but I've provided some free content and resources for you to download. I recently just uploaded a call script, how to handle different objections, and crafting a perfect message so that you can send out to your potential clients through whether it's cold emailing, through LinkedIn messaging, and things like that. I'm going to give you the recipes to create a message to get potential clients interested and ultimately reply to your message, and hopefully things go well and you guys sign a new client. So that's in my private Facebook group. My private Facebook group is where I provide all the resources for you guys to download. If you want to do that, everything's in the link in the description. Check out the description. Everything is in there. But until I see y'all in the next video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys are doing through this this crazy times. What are you guys learning right now? What do you guys need help with as far as starting or scaling your agency? I'm always here to help. I reply to everybody's comment. Let me know how I can help. All right guys, until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.